We're going to show you probably the world's largest written Quran-e-Sharif, which is currently housed in the Iran Culture House in New Delhi. This was the condition in which it was found when about 250 years ago, it was written by a man called Muhammad Ghaus and written for a Maharaja of the Gaikwad family in India, to whom he had gifted this 6-foot-long Quran-e-Sharif. But in Gujarat, where it was stored in a Jama Masjid, the rains there had destroyed, and this is the condition of the pages of this holy book, which is now being restored page by a team of people headed by Mr. Zaidi at the Iran Culture House. This is the current facade of the book after restoration. The interesting thing about this is that not just the fact that it's written in Arabic, but it's also written in Farsi or Persian, and that was the language that was widely spoken and written at that point of time, even in India. Because Muhammad Ghaus, who came from Iran to Gujarat, he was here and he attempted to write this book. There are many, many pages, and many of them have been restored and already have been sent back to Gujarat, where they are supposed to be kept. But this is the kind of work and the calligraphy that requires painstaking some amount of years. We have been told that at least 8 years the Iran Culture House team has been working to restore the Quran from this to its original state over here. And this restoration work is now being completed phase by phase, and after that, this Quran, which is 6 feet long, will be sent back to where it came from. Interestingly, all this done by Muhammad Ghaus because a Hindu Maharaja from the Gaikwad family had requested that he be gifted a Quran that is so big to read, because it's one of the holiest books in the entire world. So here at Iran Culture House, we're showing you this interesting story of cultural melange within India. With Ashok Banot, this is Milan Sharma in New Delhi for India Today. The holiest book, Quran-e-Sharif, is being restored at the Iran Culture House. It's taken more than 8 to 7 years to restore it. But after restoration, it will be sent back to Gujarat, where it will be kept inside the Jama Masjid at Vadodara. But this is perhaps the longest and the biggest in size written and being restored in India at this point. A very interesting melange of culture, because it was written for a Hindu king by Muhammad Ghaus, who gifted it to the Gaikwad family's Maharaja. With Ashok Banot, this is Milan Sharma for India Today.